JET is the biggest and best fusion experiment in the world, and it has left an indelible mark on the history of, actually the history of our planet. One day in the future, we will have fusion power plants, and that would never have happened were it not for JET. So it has been a tremendously important science experiment.
In an energy-hungry world, the JET may be a step along the road towards a virtually unlimited source of electric power.
But I arrived in 1987. I arrived after having done my thesis in Italy. This was the biggest project. I came to stay here postdoc, and I basically never left. Initially, we really didn't have computers. We had the very large computers, the Cray, that we used for the computations, but we didn't have the personal ones. Then we started getting the small personal computers with an absolute minimum of memory, and now we can do things not just in our offices, but also on the machine in terms of computing capabilities that we couldn't even dream at that time.
Being the first tritium experiment in Europe, it was very exciting for us. So it was really things that nobody had ever done before. So the team was really very, very committed and excited to get on and do it.
I met my husband working here. We were working in the same division. We were not the only couple. There were lots of couples that kind of formed, and they still do, because I think we are so into our work that sometimes it's difficult to communicate with other people, and sometimes you come home and you keep thinking about the things that your problems, your physics or engineering problems, and having somebody that understands that is very, very helpful.